Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max screen occasionally glitching on the display with lines. You want to follow these steps to fix it, so let's get started. So a quick and temporary fix for this is just to turn off your always on display by going into your settings, and then you're going to go to display and brightness, and then go to always on display and simply turn off always on, as it can interfere with the way it is on the screen here. That's going to be the quick and easy fix. Now, a more of a permanent fix is going to be doing these steps, which is you're going to go ahead and follow this step. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to the side button. So I'm going to do this: volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that here. And you're going to keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears again. So as you can see here, I'm holding it down, and once I see the Apple logo, I let go. This is known as a forced restart, which basically shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software related bug or glitch causing those screen lines to appear, it's going to go ahead and fix it, and you want to follow these steps. This will not delete any of your data, so all your photos, videos, apps will still be safe. And then once you're back on, go back into your phone. Now, another more of a fix that we're expecting from Apple is a software update to fix this issue from occurring, so that you can always use that always on feature without having to turn that feature up. In that case, you're going to go into your settings, go to general, software update, and update the phone software here to the latest version. As you can see here, each update brings a new set of fixes, especially on bug fixes, security, and any other rare issues that may be occurring. So go ahead and click on that to fix it as well, and you're going to update your phone. So those are going to be the fix for those screen glitches. I hope this video is helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.